Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fabulous day today. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Missy. I am the Welders wife. Also, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. It would mean so much to me to have you as part of my YouTube family. As for today, we are doing another What's for Dinner, and today's is very exciting because I'm going to be using my air fryer a lot in this video, so let's get started. First, I want to start off this video by thanking Pinsoon for sponsoring today's video. Pinsoon is an air fryer. They have other kitchen gadgets as well, but today I'm focusing on their air fryer. It is absolutely amazing. I absolutely love this air fryer. It is very affordable, and then also what I love is when you flip up that little tab and you push down the button, the fryer part of it comes out and it's dishwasher safe. So not only is it affordable, it's user friendly, it's digital, it goes up to 400 degrees, and as you can see, those are not like actual buttons that you push, it's all digital. So I absolutely love it. It's a very good size, like I said, very affordable. I will have it listed in my Amazon store, and then they are also giving you guys a coupon code to save 10% on the air fryer, so make sure you check the description box for that. I highly recommend this air fryer. It's amazing. My mom actually bought one and she loves it so much, and so yeah, so you guys make sure you check it out, and again, thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. The first thing we're going to be making in this air fryer is Missy Burgers. If you are new to my channel, this is my little twist on hamburgers. So what I do is I take 2 pounds of ground hamburger meat, and then I take a package of saltine crackers, and I crumble those all up into the hamburger meat, and then I take lots and lots and lots of pepper. You use as much pepper as you like, but I take a lot, and so for a true Missy burger, they have tons of pepper. So I just put that on 400 degrees for 13 minutes altogether. I let it go for 10 minutes, and then once I have 3 minutes left, I will flip them, and then they are perfectly done. They were so delicious. I could not rave I can't rave enough about how much those burgers were so flavorful and so good in the air fryer, and they just tasted so good. So I also made potato wedges in the air fryer for that night as well. So all I did was put my potato wedges into the air fryer, and I cooked them for 10 minutes on 390, and they were good to go, and they were nice and crispy. So for this next night, we decided to grill out, and I'm just going to make some baked potatoes, and I'm going to make them in my air fryer. My mom actually told me to do this, and she said they turned out so good. So all I'm doing is taking a baked potato, and I'm just poking holes in it, and then I'm going to sit it in the air fryer for 30 minutes on 400 degrees. They will come out perfect. They were so good, and the peeling on it was like crispy, so it was so good. Like you could eat like the whole potato. So good. So here I'm just showing you guys Toby cooking on the grill. He's just making some steaks, some hamburgers, and some hot dogs, and that's it. And then we had our potatoes, and like I said, after 30 minutes they were done, and they were delicious. So if you haven't tried making a baked potato in your air fryer yet, I highly suggest it. I just wanted to take another second to thank Pinsoon for sponsoring today's video. You guys don't forget to go check them out down below in the description box, and make sure you go check out their air fryer, and make sure you use your coupon code to save some money. So this is what dinner looks like. You guys, I also have a new favorite ranch dressing recipe. I didn't show me making it in this video because it was my first time making it, and I didn't know how it was going to turn out. So I didn't show the recipe in this video, but I will leave the recipe in the description box for you guys. You have to try this recipe. It is delicious. It's the best ranch I've ever had from home. So good. So on the next night, Toby just made some fried pork chops. So all he did was take some all-purpose flour and some Cavendar seasoning and mix that together in a bowl. And then in a separate bowl, it's just some milk and some eggs whisked together. And then you just dip it in the flour, dip it in the egg mixture, dip it back in the flour, and then put it in some hot oil on the stove. So all we had served with this was some scalloped potatoes and some green beans. And then we also made a turkey gravy to go on top of the pork chops just to add a little bit more flavor to it. So this was so good. I love when Toby makes his fried pork chops. They're absolutely delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's What's for Dinner. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.